News of a running mate comes just hours after a blockbuster legal decision out of Fort Pierce. Today, the federal judge overseeing the classified documents case dismissed the case against Donald Trump. Judge Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee to the bench, sided with defense lawyers who argued the special counsel who filed the charges was illegally or inappropriately appointed. This evening, I've been tackling the legal fallout and reaction. Federal Judge Eileen Cannon, no stranger to controversy in the Trump classified documents case. She has her staunch legal supporters, including Stuart Kaplan, criminal defense lawyer and former FBI agent.
Judge Cannon ruled on the law and got it right.
And legal critics, too, including former federal prosecutor Mark Schnapp. What are you hearing in legal circles today?
I think people are pretty shocked. I mean, I would call this the Hail Mary argument that nobody would have thought would have won. And it did.
August 2022, the FBI moves in on Mar-a-Lago, seizing what it says is a huge batch of classified documents. June 2023, Miami. Donald Trump becomes the first ever president or former president to be federally indicted. More than 36 felony counts for allegedly mishandling sensitive documents, then refusing to turn them over to the federal government. But defense lawyers argued special counsel Jack Smith was illegally appointed by the U.S. Attorney General. Judge Cannon agreed with their argument that the Constitution required Congress to approve any such appointment.
This decision flies in the face of years of legal precedent. And that is not her job to be creating new law. And I thought she hit a foul ball. She's way out of bounds, in my opinion.
Judge Cannon is a former federal prosecutor. An appeals court sharply criticized and overruled her when early on in the case, she said an independent arbiter should inspect the classified documents. But to charges of political favoritism, now flying from Democrats, Stuart Kaplan offers emphatic rebuttal.
I do believe that this judge called it correctly. I think that the Constitution has been eroded. I think it's a day that we should celebrate, that thankfully due process is still alive and well. She did what should have been done, meaning that she read it in the plain reading of the strict constriction of the Constitution of the United States, and she got it right. And you have to applaud that.
Late word coming to us this evening that special counsel Jack Smith will appeal Judge Cannon's decision. No matter that outcome, even if successful, legal observers deem it all but impossible that a trial could happen before the November election.